The lost Roman technology we still can't recreate, and it shouldn't exist. What if I told you that 2,000 years ago, the Romans built something stronger than most modern concrete? And not only that, we still don't fully understand how they did it. Not with all our computers. Not with modern chemistry labs. Not with billion-dollar construction companies. And here's the crazy part. Their buildings are still standing. Ours are already cracking. Take our word for it. This gets weird. When you think about ancient Rome, you probably imagine gladiators, the Colosseum, aqueducts, massive stone temples. But what if the most impressive Roman achievement wasn't their army, wasn't their empire, wasn't even their engineering? What if it was something so simple that we completely overlooked it? Concrete? Yay, concrete. Except Roman concrete isn't like ours. It's better, way better. Look at the Pantheon in Rome, built around 126 AD. Its dome is still the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world. No steel, rebar, no modern reinforcement, no advanced machinery, just Roman engineering. And then there are Roman harbors. Structures that have been sitting in ocean water for nearly 2,000 years, and instead of weakening, they actually got stronger. Meanwhile, modern seawalls crumble after a few decades. How? For years, historians believed Roman concrete was simple. Lime volcanic ash rock fragments watered. The volcanic ash called pozzolana came from volcanic regions near Italy. That part made sense. But here's where things get strange. Modern engineers tried to copy the formula. Same ingredients, same ratios, same volcanic ash. And it still didn't behave the same way. The Roman version had something else going on. Something subtle, something accidental, or intentional. In recent years, scientists began slicing open ancient Roman concrete. Under microscopes, they noticed something odd, tiny white chunks. For years, researchers thought these were just mistakes. Poor mixing, sloppy craftsmanship. But they were wrong. Very wrong. Those white chunks turned out to be lime clasts, and they weren't accidents. They were the secret. When cracks formed in the concrete, water would seep in. The lime chunks would react with the water, and they would chemically repair the crack. Self-healing concrete. 2,000 years ago. Let that sink in. We're calling it innovative in 2026. They were already doing it in 100. Now, here's where it gets insane. When modern concrete touches salt water, it corrodes. Steel rusts. Structures fail. But Roman maritime concrete? It forms a rare mineral called alumino-tobermorite. That mineral actually strengthens the material over time. So instead of decaying, it evolves. The ocean makes it stronger. It's almost like the Romans accidentally discovered a geological cheat code, or they deeply understood volcanic chemistry in ways we underestimated. So if it was so good, why did we stop using it? Because empires fall? When Rome collapsed in the 5th century, supply chains collapsed with it. The specific volcanic ash sources became inaccessible. Trade routes disappeared. Knowledge was fragmented. Over centuries, the exact techniques faded. By the time modern cement was invented in the 1800s, we went a different direction. Faster production, mass manufacturing, steel reinforcement, efficiency over longevity. We optimized for speed. The Romans optimized for eternity. And somewhere in between, we forgot how to build for 2,000 years. This isn't just about concrete, it's about something bigger. We assume history is a straight line. Primitive gives, advanced gives, ultra-advanced, but that's not how it works. Knowledge can peak and disappear. Entire technologies can be lost, not because they were impossible, but because the systems that supported them collapsed. The Romans didn't have computers. They didn't have satellites. They didn't have AI, but they built something that outlived empires. And we're still trying to figure out how. So next time you see a cracked parking garage, remember this. 2,000 years ago, engineers figured out how to make concrete heal itself. And somehow, we forgot. History isn't primitive. It's humbling. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.